And you
I've read about
feel
it.
it when they come into the room.
Yeah, I've read about it and what they do and stuff. And I tried bringing it up to Darren, and he like blew me off. So I just kind of assumed he didn't know what I was talking about.
It's because he knows there's somebody down there. I think there's somebody down there.
Is that somebody down there?
Hello? I see a shadow down there at the end. I gotta check this out. Hello? It's gone. I'm telling you, I saw the full-blown shadow of a person standing right there.
When you said that, my flash started acting up.
Take a picture of me.
It's not. What? My focus is going crazy. What is life right now?
Or, wow, I see that one went up straight up to the ceiling.
This has been happening all night. Mom will say something and my flash will start not working.
Oh, never mind. That's the.
You know where we haven't been yet? Soda shop.
Where's happened to one of your buddies?
No! I don't like them. They scare me. They freak me
Who?
out. The things.
Oh, the mannequins. Yeah, I was explaining.
With the faces.
You know that thing? I know for a fact that thing moved that
I had
one
a
night
dream that thing moved.
because his head was all the way over here and there was no helmet on his head. And I filmed him when I first walked by, and he was sitting just like that with the helmet on his head, and then all of a sudden there was no helmet. So I know for a fact that thing moves. Okay, let's see. We got chairs. There's two. I see two. That's cool. You can have the chairs. EVP rolling in the soda shop, Mansfield Park Museum. Donnie, are you here? I'll take that as a yes. Nice to talk to you again. You know, it's been a while, but you know,
Somebody's happy.
we're happy to see you anyways. You know we'll always eventually come back. You know that, right? Once again, I'll take that as a yes. So how you been, bud? Hey Donnie, can you tell me where you're at right now? Are you in your corner? What'd he say? We're having a little trouble hearing you, bud. You like this? Is that what you said?
It's a false statement.
What? What's a false statement?
He cracked my head.
Cracked your head?
Or something. It sounded like that's what they said.
Is this Donnie? Or is this... Did he say it's Donnie?
Couldn't make it out.
If this is Donnie we're talking to, can you please turn that flashlight on? Whoa.
Who's here?
Donnie, is there somebody else here? Donnie, did somebody crack you in the head?
They won't stop.
Are they here now?
Did he just get behind you?
Watch your flash.
They're behind me on the other side of the wall? Hold on, I'm gonna Whoever's messing with Donnie needs to leave him alone. Or we're gonna have problems.
He just said it's not me.
Oh, I don't see nothing, so sorry. I didn't see nothing, so I'm not sure.
It's a girl's voice.
What?
There's a girl here.
Who's the girl that's here?
Bobby?
You want Bobby?
Whoa.
Donnie, I'm not gonna let anybody hurt you. I'm not gonna let anybody crack you in the head.
J.U. something.
Did you say something about me?
Take a break. Take a break? Me? Are you asking me to take a break?
Okay, Donnie, we'll give you a break.
Find it.
Find what?
Paul? He? Dead? Something. In the bathroom. Cold?
You mean the cold spot in the bathroom? Hey, Donnie, if you want us to give you a break, turn that flashlight on really bright, okay? Or say it really clearly.